If you can't fly, you just run. If you can't run, you just walk. If you can't walk, you just crawl. But whatever you want to achieve, always try to forward, try to keep moving forward. Because sometimes the things we want to achieve in a day, things we want to achieve in a month, it may take 1 year. Because to change that particular thing, it's not an easy task. Because when we start to learn something different, which is not in our genre, which is not specially we use in our daily life, it takes a time to achieve that thing. When just today I was just reading a book, I read these lines: if you can't fly, you just run. Means our main motto and the main aim is to achieve our target, to achieve our aim. Sometimes when we live in such situation in which we cannot fly, we cannot give our 100% to achieve that things. But it doesn't mean if you are not putting your all effort to learn, to acquire that things, you stop doing that work. No. If you don't putting your 100% to do that work, if you are not be able, anyhow you want to do what you can't. So try to put your 50% effort to learn that things. If somehow you are not easy, it's not easy for you to put your all effort, your 50% effort to learn that things, try to put your 30% or 20% effort, but you just put. Because why I am telling these things? Because when a homemaker like me, when a housewife who has lot of responsibilities, responsibility of family, responsibilities of kids, responsibility of household chores, all the things we have to collectively, we have to face all the problems, we have to do all the work, how we have to manage each and everything. Especially when we are learning that things which is not in your environment. If I am learning this language, so this language is not in our environment, it's not in our anyone in our surrounding speak this language. So it may take a time to improve this language, but if continuously we are putting any hard work, if we are putting any work, if our small step, if we are doing a small step to improve our communication skill, it will change a lot. It will change a lot in your life. It is not only with speaking English, it is any skill. Because when we are married, when we got married, we think that our life stops. We can't do anything. But it's not like that. If you have some dream, if you have some passion, you should take a first step to achieve that things. You should take that first step, because the first step you should take. And until or unless you take the first step, no one can help you. To taking first step is your responsibility. And when you take one step, automatically you will get the support from your family members, from the other person. At the beginning, in your initial stage, it may be some people demotivate you. Some people may say that you can't do anything, you can't do this work. But if you know that you can do this thing, if you know that these things you can do easily these things, because you know yourself better than other people. You know about yourself much more than other people. If you think that you can do, yes, you can definitely do. But if I talk about myself, I have lot of work to do. Same like all homemakers, kids, family, household chores, relatives, all responsibilities. Sometime if you are my subscriber, you may think that I'm not uploading regular videos. It's not easy for everyone. Some people are very regular, very punctual, they can easily upload the videos. But as far as the homemakers are concerned, and those person who are alone, mostly alone at family at home, and all the responsibilities on the single person's shoulder, so it's not easy for that to do any work. It's not easy for that person to do that particular work regularly. But it doesn't mean that I am not putting any effort to learn this. If anyhow I don't get enough time to learn, to watch, to read something, I just, with the help of my son, watch an English video, just like cartoon videos, to understand that videos that help. I think I just want to tell you to all, if you have some passion, if you want to improve anything, if you want to achieve anything, don't demotivate yourself. Don't think these things that you can't do. It's not right time to learn this language. I am at early 30, that it's not important to learn to fulfill my own dream. I just help my kids to fulfill their dreams. Yes, as a parents, it's a responsibility to help our kids to achieve their aim. But if you have a passion, if you are really wanted to achieve in your something in your life, please get out yourself from your comfort zone. Try to do something in your life. Try to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Don't demotivate yourself. It will take time, but definitely with the passage of time, you will see lot of changes in yourself. Thank you. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.